So one of the first things that you're going to need to do is of course sign up for a Gemini account. And the way that you're going to be able to do that is by jumping onto Google just like this and then typing in the search term, clicking on search, and you should see this website at the top. Now it's completely free for anyone to use. All you're going to need to do is sign in using your Gmail email address. And then once you've created your account, this is going to be a similar page to what you're going to see. Now it works in a very similar way to ChatGPT in the sense that you're going to be able to come down here, type in a prompt and have a one-on-one conversation with it. So as I said, I'm going to show you 3 different side hustles that you can start using this tool right now from the comfort of your own home. So one of the first ways that you can use it is by using it to help you find a winning e-commerce product to sell. Because for example, you're going to be able to come down here and type in something like, I want to start an e-commerce business. Can you give me a list of 10 products that are evergreen, small sized, priced over $20 and have the potential to make me a lot of money? Once you've typed in something like that, you're going to be able to click on submit. And as you can see, it's instantly come back with all of these different products, items that I wasn't necessarily thinking about. And that's the reason why this tool is useful, is because it's going to be able to spark some ideas and point you in the right direction. But of course, it doesn't just end here. You're going to need to do specific product research in terms of the platform that you plan on selling on. Because for example, let's say if I wanted to sell any one of these different products on Amazon, let's say this one over here, what I'm going to need to do is just copy the name of the product, jump onto Amazon just like this, search for the item, click on search. From here, I need to make sure that I've installed the Helium 10 product research tool, which is specific for finding winning products to sell on Amazon. So I'm just going to click on the extension tool just like this. And straight away, as you guys can see, this product was able to bring in over $3 million in the last 30 days alone. And there's sellers here that are bringing in over $300,000, $195,000 by selling this particular item. And of course, you are going to have to go through the process of setting up your Amazon account, going over to a website like Alibaba.com, finding a suitable supplier. But the reason why Gemini is so useful is that it's going to be able to give you product ideas that you probably never ever thought of, that can put you in a position where you can potentially start earning over $10,000 every single month. And before I forget, if you also wanted to sign up to Helium 10 and use it in conjunction with Gemini when it comes to finding winning products, use the link in my description down below and sign up today. But swiftly moving on to one of the second ways that you can use Gemini when it comes to helping you make money online, which is simply using it to give you ideas when starting a profitable blog website. Now, for those of you that are new to this channel, I've actually got a couple different blog websites that I'm running right now. This is one of them. It can be found at successwithbusiness.com. Most people don't realize that you can still build super simple websites just like this and still generate thousands of dollars every single week. All I'm doing is publishing these articles every couple days or so. And of course, the main aim is to provide valuable content, but within all of these different articles, I've got various different affiliate links that allow me to earn a passive source of income. And Gemini is basically going to be able to help you when it comes to the initial stages of building your website. Because for example, I'm just going to come over here and ask it, can you give me 10 ideas for profitable blog niches that have low competition, but has the potential to earn me a lot of money from affiliate commissions? Something simple like that, and then just click on submit. And straight away it's come back with all of these different ideas. For example, sustainable living, pet care, gaming, financial technology, language learning, gardening, all of these different ideas that I'm going to be able to choose from. And it doesn't even end there, because I can also ask it to give me the affiliate programs that I'm going to sign up to depending on what niche I want to go with. So let's say if I wanted to go with the financial technology niche, all I need to do is ask it to give me 10 profitable affiliate programs for this niche and then click on submit again. And just as expected, it's come back with all of these different companies, and it's also letting me know exactly how much I'm going to be able to earn if I was to successfully get someone to sign up to any one of these. But when it comes to actually building out your affiliate marketing website, the way that I would advise that you do it is to get hosting with Hostinger. Reason being is that if you click the link in my description, you're going to be able to save 75%, and you're going to be able to get 2, maybe 3 months for completely free, and it's a 30-day money back guarantee. So once you've clicked on claim deal by using the link in my description, it's then going to take you to a similar page that looks like this. And then from here, you're going to be able to use Hostinger's AI website builder with the assistance of Gemini. Because once you click on start creating, you just simply need to fill out these 3 different sections: brand name, website type, and a short description. And of course, you can come up with all of this yourself, but let's say if I wanted to use Gemini to help me come up with a brand name, all I'm going to have to do is ask it to give me 10 good names for a fintech affiliate website and then click on submit. And then I'm going to have all of these different names to choose from. So let's assume that I wanted to go with this one over here. I'm just going to simply copy it like that, come back over to Hostinger, paste it in there just like that. For website type, I'm going to select blog. And then for the description, of course you can type this out yourself, but you're also going to be able to use Gemini, because I'm just going to come back over here and type in, I'm using an AI website builder to build the fintech website. Can you give me a short prompt to copy and paste into the AI builder for this name over here? Then click on submit. And just like that, I've got the prompt that I am going to be able to copy and paste right into the builder over here. And all I need to do is click on create a website. And just like that, it was able to instantly build this website using nothing but AI. I didn't have to come up with the name. I didn't have to come up with the description. I didn't have to build this website. I didn't have to pick the images. Everything that you can see on the screen right now was done using the power of AI technology. And when it comes to the actual articles that you're going to be publishing on the website, you're also going to be able to use Gemini when it comes to giving you ideas, because the way that I like to use it is by asking it something like, can you give me 10 blog article ideas for this new website that will rank well on Google? And of course, because Gemini is part of Google, it's going to be able to give you the best articles to work on. And you can also take it a step further when it comes to producing each and every single article and writing the entire thing for you. But this now brings me on to one of the final ways that you can use Gemini as a beginner to assist you when looking to make money online, which is by starting a faceless YouTube channel. So I'm sure that most of you already know that Google owns YouTube, so the data on Gemini is going to be valuable when it comes to starting some sort of a faceless channel. And there's various different ways that you can use AI when it comes to getting started. So let's say if I was looking to start a faceless channel to go alongside this website that I've just built, the tool that I'm going to use is this one over here, InVideo AI. And you're going to be able to sign up for completely free. All you need to do is just click on this option and it's going to take you to this page over here where, again, all you need to do is type in a simple prompt. But the way that Gemini AI is going to be able to help you with this is that it's going to be able to give you the video ideas that are worth making. Because if I just jump back onto Gemini, I'm going to be able to say that I want to start a faceless YouTube channel to go with this website, and can it give me 10 good video ideas for my first ever video? And then click on submit. So now I've got all of these different videos that apparently is going to do really, really well. So all I'm going to need to do from this point is pick any one of them, and I'm going to be able to use InVideo when it comes to making it. So all I'm going to need to do is just type in, can you give me a short prompt for a few sentences to copy and paste into an AI video maker for the video, and then I'm going to pick this one over here, just paste it in there just like that, and then click on submit again. And then all I'm going to need to do is just copy this, come back over here, paste it in there just like that, and then click on generate a video. And literally within 2 minutes or so, it was able to come back with this fully edited video. So let me just play a little bit of it just so that you can hear how it sounds and how it looks, so that you know what type of videos you guys are going to be able to make yourself.
Could your understanding of financial technology or fintech be clouded by common myths? Today, we're diving deep into 5 prevalent fintech misconceptions that could be holding you back from fully leveraging this powerful tool set. Buckle up as we debunk these myths and reveal the reality of fintech.
So that's a quick preview. Everything you saw was generated using AI, even the voice, the images, the overlays, everything. But the main point is you're going to be able to use Gemini when it comes to coming up with an endless list of video ideas. And of course, there's some other ways you can use it to make money online as well. I just wanted to give you my top 3, but if you wanted more videos just like this, then put in the comments down below, do the Google Gemini video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But in the meantime, if you wanted to sign up to my completely free email newsletter where every single week, I'm going to send you an email when it comes to all of the different side hustles that we've spoken about, e-commerce, faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing. I've gotten a lot of good feedback from these emails, so I'm sure it's also going to help you out. So just make sure that you click the first link in the description down below to sign up. And if you also wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made recently, where I explain how you're going to be able to earn your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this, because it's already helped out thousands of people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out as well. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.